Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I need to drink some water. How about you? Do you need to drink some water? Good morning.
Looks like we got some rain coming in. Oh my, that's not good. Dark and ominous sky. We switched to a different park because of the Butler Road Race. We being the Pokemon tournament location. So I think there's a pavilion there that we can use, which is bueno, because we're probably gonna need it. We're just waiting for Mom. Mom! Mom! You think she's grabbing us some kombuchas? Oh, it's raining on us now. Drippy, drippy, drippy! Still extremely hot. I got flies all over my feet. Flies, get away. I'm not the target you're looking for.
Then you will arrive at your destination.
I tried painting it yesterday.
So while Steven does the Pokemoning, we are going for a little walk. And they have like a bunch of old buildings in this park. I have no idea what this one is, but it looks cool. Smile, you're on camera. Don't know. I wasn't pointing it at me. I don't know if I'm supposed to be back here, but it's cool looking. Looks like it would make like a cool art studio or something. And Rory is fussy because she wants to get out. But there really isn't any good place for her to get out because we didn't bring her shoes. So unless she wants to have ouchy feet, I don't know, maybe I'll sit on this bench and let her play. There's my happy girl. I just want to run around, Mom, and use all of my energies. Did you find an ant? There are ants crawling. I went into this porta potty over here and immediately got bit by like a million bugs. So I've got bug bites all over me now from being in the porta potty for like a couple minutes that I was in there. It's terrible. I thought about putting bug spray on, but then I was like, we're going to Pittsburgh. I don't need bug spray for Pittsburgh, but we're going to this park. Because originally they were going to go into downtown Butler, but because of the rain, they decided to come to this park. Oh no, not because of the rain. There's some event or something going on downtown. But anyway, all that to say, I've got bug bites now. Hopefully you don't have bug bites, but you didn't come in the porta potty with me. I don't know where she's going. She had a handful of plants. She took something from this bush and something from somewhere else in the grass. And I saw she had handfuls of it, and then she dropped it to pick up this stick. I love getting to watch her play in nature. It's just using her a little imagination. It's just adorable. Rory! Where's Mama? She doesn't even care that she can't see me anymore. Rory! She went so far away. She's just going. What are you doing? You're so far away! She's so far away that that's all the further I can zoom in on her. In your hand. What is all that? What's in there? Oh, I can't show you. Is it top secret? She realized that she was so far away from me and now she's cuddly. Thank you. You're so cute. Ooh. Are you eating something? Oh, yes, you are eating a leaf. Don't do that. I don't know what kind of leaf that is. Yeah, don't eat the leaves. You have more in there? Rory, don't be eating the wildlife. Ah! Wow. Ah! Wow. Ah! Really? Look at the cuteness. Oh my goodness. She loves swinging.
You have the cable. Oh, there it goes. Hey,
It was beautiful.
how long has that been up there?
High five. Yeah.
You can't distract me. Good try, Mom. I did very bad at this tournament. Like, it was not good at all. I might even switch my team up. Rory, what's so bad, baby girl? What's so bad? You hungry? Oh, Rory, girl, Rory, Rory, Rory! We got a lot more people signed in than were signed up online, so it's gonna be a lot. Unfortunately, it's not my ranked, so it doesn't matter, but possible redemption? I doubt it. I didn't lose quite as bad, but I didn't win. Got tied for second, I think. So, I mean, tied with like 7 people for second. It's a little rainy out, Kayla. Little. You first. Baby, I'm gonna put you up over my head so you can keep me dry. That was a random stop.
Yeah. This is his great idea. He's gonna keep us from getting wet with a blanket. I don't know what happened to the invention of umbrellas, you know?
You gonna help me catch this one, baby girl? Ayla's not feeling well. She don't want to come out, so got a raid without her. I did better at the North Hills one. I got 3 and 2 as opposed to 2 and 3, which is not great. Not good. Not a good day. As far as tournaments go. As far as just the day, it's hot. That's not a complaint, that's a comment. You like the heat, huh, baby girl? You're all about them heat. First raid proved to be a touch difficult, so we met up with the organist of the church here, the Catholic church. She's actually like getting ready to play, but she's gonna raid in the meantime. So go head on in. Got him. A poor job vlogging the end table project. So we are already like partway through, but we're hoping to get close to finishing tonight. I don't know, we'll see how. 8 o'clock. I work for an hour, and then I gotta edit some video. We'll see what happens. See how far we get.
set an alarm for this lady coming?
9:30?
Yeah.
We got it. Let's check this out. Well, that's not gonna work. That's very crooked. So I guess we're done for this evening. It is 9 o'clock-ish, so a few minutes after 9? Huh, 9:01. I'm gonna bring in my polyurethane thingamajigs and edit some video. Kayla is meeting a person at like 9:30 to sell off a thingamajig. There's a lot of thingamajigs going around in this world. Let's go edit some vlog footage.